Hi, I wanted to introduce you to this amazing neighborhood. It's a hidden gem that not a lot of people know about. We're just across from Douglas Park, and he sold a lot of houses in this neighborhood. Our clients love it. Since it's so close to the Gables, you just walk 100 feet and you're right there. So now we're taking the turquoise gaze into Coral Gables. You can walk, you can bike, you're so close to the plaza, to Miracle Mile, downtown Coral Gables, and Coconut Grove. This neighborhood is very family friendly and quaint. The home is a newer construction built in 2021. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a half bath on the first floor. Every bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet. One of the guest rooms has a balcony terrace overlooking the street. There is a spacious backyard with a play structure that can be negotiated to be included in the contract. Thank you so much for touring with me today. You can see in this neighborhood you still get great value for your money. Make it rain.